Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this serialization error on Valorant when corrupt data was found. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to go on search and write down run, open it up, and on run you want to write down %temp %, and then click OK. Now this will open up, and what you need to do is go ahead and delete all of the files from here. So just go ahead, just like that, and click delete. Also, you need to make sure that you have closed Valorant. Now, after you have deleted the files, you want to go to local. And on the local, you want to find Valorant and you want to go ahead and delete it. Just like so. Just make sure that the Valorant is closed on your computer. Now, after that, you want to go ahead to Riot Client, open it up, go to your profile at the top, click Settings. And on Settings, you want to click Repair Valorant, start repair. And now it should do its thing and repair your game files. Now, if the problem still persists, the last thing you can try to do is go ahead on installed apps and reinstall Vanguard. So you're gonna write down Vanguard right there. You're gonna uninstall it and install it again. You will not need to install it yourself. Basically, when you uninstall it and you open up Riot Games and click Play Valorant, Vanguard will install automatically. So that's pretty much what you can do. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.